There's a classroom where kids don't just learn from books. They learn from each other. Welcome to Mrs. Ahmed's class, where growing plants is how kids grow brains. Inside her classroom, there's a big indoor garden. Real dirt, real plants, real learning, and a whole lot of little hands ready to get messy. But this garden isn't just for decoration. It's the heart of Mrs. Ahmed's teaching. Every plant is a chance for teamwork. Every watering can is a chance to learn something new. Mrs. Ahmed follows an idea from a smart guy named Lev Vygotsky. He said, "Kids learn better when they learn together." So in this class, older kids help younger ones. If one child knows how to plant seeds, they teach a friend who's never done it before. If a leaf turns yellow, they figure it out together. This is called the zone of proximal development. It means kids can do more with just a little help. Not doing it for them, doing it with them. And here, every plant they care for is a little victory. A seed growing is like a light bulb turning on. Sometimes the plants don't grow. Sometimes kids disagree. But Mrs. Ahmed turns those moments into lessons. How to work together. How to listen. How to try again. By the end of the year, the garden is full of flowers. And the kids? They've grown too. They've learned how to help each other, how to solve problems, and how to learn together. Vygotsky believed learning is social. And in this classroom, that's exactly what it looks like. Real learning, real friendships, and real plants that somehow survived 20 small humans. Follow for more fun stories where psychology meets real life and tiny, dirty hands.